Joining a Calendly meeting is a straightforward process that allows you to connect seamlessly with hosts for scheduled appointments. Here's how to join a Calendly meeting. Receive the invitation. First, you will need an invitation link to the meeting. This link is typically sent via email or direct message from the meeting host. It may also include details about the meeting topic and any necessary preparation. Click the link. When you receive the invitation, click on the provided Calendly link. This will redirect you to a page that confirms your appointment details, including the date, time, and meeting type. Add to calendar. If prompted, you can add the meeting to your personal calendar by following the provided instructions. This helps you keep track of the appointment and receive reminders. Join the meeting. On the scheduled date and time, click the same link again to join the meeting. If the meeting is conducted via Zoom, Google Meet, or another platform, you may be redirected to that platform. Prepare for the meeting. Ensure your audio and video equipment is working correctly and have any necessary documents or information ready before the meeting starts.